we're traveling around Thailand, and we use all inspiration from the old lady, market, rice field, and show the guests about the cuisine. Hi, I'm Prin, owner, Samrap Thai. We cook Thai food from around Thailand, from the old cookbook that I collect, and from the ingredients in season in Thailand. And all ingredient local, but it's a big land and different region, different immigrant from Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Chinese of course, everything mixed. In every region of Thailand is very different because of the way they eating, the way they live. That's what we try to use everything in Thailand. I change the menu every 2 months, and different region is coming new and new. That's what my goal for cooking now. This is papaya salad. It's like a very fine, do like a spaghetti. Wow, very nice. Lamb sets, dry prawn powder, chili of course, garlic, palm sugar, and fish sauce, and tamarind water. Put this just for make it thick a little bit. Yeah. This lamb set. Deep fry betel lips. It's with a grilled beef marinate with fish sauce, pepper, and then we grill, simmer in coconut cream with the shallot. We have deep fried shallot to make it nutty flavor. My father is from Isan, I mean. My mother is from the north. We are in the farmer family. I know the way of cooking by my grandma, my mom, my auntie, all ladies in the house. And Isan is very similar to the north, the cuisine, but the way that they cook is different. But Isan, they use very quickly. Lamb too sour, salty, spicy. Eat raw or cook. That's very fast cuisine. But the north, the way we cook is very simmer thing. Mostly it's like a curry, like a soup. It's cold before. You need to keep it longer. In Thai we call lap or beef tartar. It's my favorite dishes. It's brisket. We need to chop. Look at this one from Chiang Mai, my regions. Chili, garlic, shallot, galangal, lemongrass, and a lot of dry spice, long pepper, cumin. It's about 20 things inside there. It's used in the northern food a lot in different way. And I add the beef stock. We add the stock because it make it more bouncy. And we mix with the herb. Today we have coriander, long leaf coriander, laksa leaf. We have deep fried shallots. This is my way of love. Every house they make a different. Here in Samrap, we try to talk about the culture more than food. Because the food today, you coming to take a picture, taste and go on. But we talk about the culture, the way we eat. For example, like Samui Island, on the top of island, they have a lot of tourists, a lot of hotel, restaurant. But you could deep to the south of the island, you see the local people in like the melting pot of Chinese, Muslim, Thai local, the food mix, and everything very unique. That's bring me up. Oh, I gotta use it and use here and improve the taste, and we can show the food that nobody knows. This menu we call pad kimao, drunken stir fry with a pomfret. In the paste, it's like chili, galangal, coriander roots, ginger, garlic, shallot, and chili again. We pile together, then we make the paste. So first we fry the paste, and then this I got. And this I got. We have kapau, hot basil, and the flower of kapau, and kaffir lamb lips. If you have good utensil, good knife, good cleaver, and you clever to use it, it's perfect in the kitchen. If you have perfect utensil, you make everything perfect. It's not about the kitchen, it's everything, every career. I think it's Fred mandolin that we have in the kitchen. It surprised me. We make like that strip of papaya. It's like, oh, normally we use a knife and but this one like spaghetti. I make spaghetti papaya today. And look good. One food, one recipe gone because people pass away. If we don't share, it's gone forever. I want to let the guy know because I want them to know about the roots and they can do something more. Every time I make a menu, I share every recipe for them, for the kids who want the recipe.